time 10x from TOPSLOT.
Oh my. Crazy time with this 7x from the TOPSLOT.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Vishy, thank you for the compliment. Ariane, 16, hello to you too. There we go. Good luck. Da 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 da. I don't care if I just want you, Amy. Oh. Well, I can always be your friend. That's close, thank you. Manga, hi. 25 times number 5 no sub-slots. I hope we're gonna get a 5. You look like Olivia Rodrigo. I mean, she's pretty, thank you. 5 is so close. Come on, I want to be here for this. And yes, we got it. Ah! Sorry. How much is that? 100 something. 3,970 players won. Sunny Query 3 tops 9,044. You winning for the stop and enjoy, guys. Easy money for you guys. Enjoy. You see, also by the numbers, you can win some big amounts of the money. With the top slot, without the top slot. In this case, with the top slot, you won all. I think those cars were old ones, now very bad ones. Very bad cars you had, Arno. Sorry to hear that. I don't want to add on that, I might get banned. Don't risk with your life, JA better. You're gonna buy me a Lada. Can you buy me Porsche and after that Lada and some old school Mercedes and some old school Audi and some old school Porsche and a new Porsche and BMW 3X on crazy time? Thank you, Herman. You also have a nice one. First crazy time for me today. I wanna cry. Wow. Wow. Follow me. Let's go. First crazy time. That's my first time. I hope it's gonna be good for me. Da 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 da. Let's go! Woo! 3x. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. 300x, the highest one. Green, blue, yellow. What you gonna do? I'm gonna go for the yellow one. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo, 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 woo. Good luck, everybody. 60, 150, and 75. Shush. I'm coming home. 9,048 winners support, top win 7,600 euro win. Let's go. Blue, double D. So you can once more do what you want to do. And yeah, we're moving on. Newcomers, welcome. Let's go. Yes. Great. But the thing that I'm kind of scared about is I'm going to go home by a train and I'm going to fall asleep on a train, you know? That's one of my fears. But that might happen. Oh my. Crazy time with this 7x from the TOPSLOT because trains, you know, as it's cold outside. Come on, crazy time with it. 7x from a TOPSLOT. Come on, humans. Let's go. Action. Big action. You ready? Let's go. Let's do this. Come on. Welcome, humans. Welcome. It's a crazy time with the 7x from my TOPSLOT. Spicy, really spicy, humans. Really spicy because now it's time to multiply it all with the 7x. Come on. Whew, okay. Looking good, looking juicy.
So humans, now it's time for you to pick your fighters. Green, blue, yellow. Which color is it gonna be? What do you think? Make your choices. If you cannot make a choice yourself, you know, you can always rely on Autopic. It's gonna pick in your place. So 700 XD highest multi, let's go! Wow, 350x for the yellow. Yes, wow, enjoy. Let's go. All of them were awesome. Yellow, green, blue, beautiful.
Let's go again. Rasmus, hi. Lovely to see that you are here to update you. Thus. And the bets are now closed. Good luck. Crazy time is multiplied by 3 by the TOPSLOT. Come on now, let's go see if we get that crazy time indeed. You never expect crazy time with a TOPSLOT. Why? Come on, it's headed towards it. Hopefully, maybe. And we are indeed getting the crazy time. Woo! See? No need to be negative. Let's go to the crazy time. Woo! Let's go, you guys, to the biggest meal out there. Hi, hello, this is the crazy time. Let's go. Woo! Let's see what crazy time has for us indeed. And we have green, blue, and yellow. Choose your color. Well, no. Yes, 12 color. We have green, blue, and yellow to choose from. Some are rooting for yellow, some are rooting for blue. Blue being the most popular one out there. And let's go. The highest multiplier is 100, 300. Good luck. And we have 150 for yellow, 30 for the blue, and double for green. Let's go spin that wheel again for the green people. Let's go. The maximum multiplier is 600 now. And another double for the green view people. Woo! The highest multiplier is 1,200. Let's go. And we have 240 for the green. Congratulations to the 240x multiplier getters. Beautiful. And we are back. Hi, hello. Lovely to see you here. Let's have a good one, shall we? Well, we're starting off strong, aren't we not? And the bets are closed. Good luck, lovely people.
What we can get. Yeah, I know, June, trust me. First time 10x from TOPSLOT. crazy times 10x. In we go. Welcome to Crazy Time, the biggest wheel we have. And this is just not a simple crazy time. No, no. It's a 10x crazy time. Yes, make your decision, green, blue, or yellow. Maximum 1,000 extra, let's see. Blue goes for double. Let's see. $250, $500.